If you want to create a fitness app like MyFitnessPal, then you have come to the right video. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to develop a successful fitness and nutrition tracking app. From planning and design to development and launch, we have got you covered. Join us in this video as we explore how to create a fitness app like MyFitnessPal, where health meets technology. You want to create a fitness app, but what type of fitness app do you envision? When asked this question, you might think of MyFitnessPal, Fitbit, or Strava. However, these apps belong to different categories within the fitness app industry. Let's explore the various types of fitness apps. Activity tracking apps. These include apps like Strava, Fitbit, and Google Fit, which can monitor physical activities such as steps, calories burned, and distance traveled. Workout and training apps. These include apps like Nike Training Club, Jeffit, and Aptive, which offer tailored exercise routines and training plans with instructional videos and progress tracking. Nutrition and diet apps. These include apps like MyFitnessPal, LifeSum, and MyNet Diary, which help users log and track their food intake, providing detailed nutritional information to maintain dietary goals. Yoga and meditation apps. These include apps like Calm, Headspace, and Down Dog, which focus on mental well-being with guided meditation, yoga sessions, and relaxation techniques. Now that you understand the different types of fitness apps, you are better equipped to decide which type of fitness app to develop for your business. You can create a specific type of fitness app as defined earlier. Or you can develop a hybrid app that combines features from multiple categories. You could even create a super fitness app that provides all the services offered by these different types of apps, giving users a one-stop solution for their fitness needs. To create a successful fitness app like MyFitnessPal, you need a technical partner like Brew Labs. Our highly skilled team of developers and designers leverages cutting-edge technologies and advanced AI to deliver an exceptional app with engaging user experiences. We will provide you with a robust admin panel for efficient management and control of customers and businesses across your fitness app. Our dynamic customer app ensures seamless access for users, offering an uninterrupted experience. With our advanced technology suite, you can expect top-notch performance that sets your fitness app apart from the competition. Upon completion of your fitness app, we will transfer full ownership of the source code and intellectual property rights to you. If you are interested in creating your own app like MyFitnessPal to enter the lucrative world of membership app industry, then click the link in the video's description and fill the form on our website and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Our team of experts will answer any questions you may have and provide a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.